Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I have 7 new polishes to share with you guys that Born Pretty store actually sent out to me to try out, do some cute designs with and so on. These are from the Born Pretty featuring Kuncat kind of brand design. You know the deal. I've shared a couple of different items from this specific collection already, and I have to say the packaging is so cute. The colors are so pretty. These are regular nail polishes, and the entire collection was an 8-piece one, but I get 7 out of 8 polishes, so I'm really excited to share these with you. So here I'm just going to share with you what the boxes look like and the colors and so on. Of course they were all fully wrapped in plastic like the first color that I showed you, but I already just removed it for the sake of the video. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. And as usual, I'm just going to swatch all of the colors on my little nail wheel. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time when recording this video to actually apply it to my own nails. So yeah, that is why I just decided to do it on one of my nail wheels. And yeah, usually if there are like collections from over 5 bottles, it just takes so many times to actually swatch it on all of my nails that I usually just decide to go for a swatch wheel. But this first color is a beautiful flaky one, and these are actually quite light sensitive, so they can change a little bit to like a lighter color when you get in sunlight and stuff like that. So that is pretty cool. The only thing is I have tried to actually take my nail wheel out in the sun and show you the effects, but the effect wasn't really visible on camera, so that was quite a shame, and it was quite subtle as well. So yeah, I feel like if you want to have like a full-on effect and a really big color change, just go for another product like temperature changing kind of polishes or stuff like that, because I didn't really see much change like with the naked eye. But this first color is a really cute one. It is actually quite sheer. All of the colors from this collection are quite sheer, but the flaky ones that I'm showing you here up first, the 3 ones I got, are more of like a jelly formula. So they do have a little hint of color to the base, but the flakies are definitely the showstoppers of these polishes. So yeah, don't expect full opacity with just the first coat. They definitely are quite buildable, but they still like their formula is just quite jelly, quite sheer, but they do have a lot of depth once you have applied a third coat, because the flakies will layer on top of each other and you will get a beautiful kind of like an opal gemstone kind of effect. I think that's really pretty. This second one is more of like a green tone, once again very sheer. There's just a hint of green color in there, but the flakies are just gorgeous. Then the third color, oh, and if you are curious to the numbers and the names, I am just showing you them here on the boxes, so you can definitely search on them like one by one if you're not interested in the whole collection but just want to get a couple of different ones. Just look up the numbers or the names at bornprettystore.com and you're good to go, and I'm sure you will find them. This third one is already the final one I got from the flaky kind of line within this collection. There were 4 flakies and 4 shimmery pearlescent ones. Unfortunately, the 4th flaky one wasn't in stock, I guess, when they sent out this collection to me. So yeah, I got 7 out of 8, which is a pretty good score if you ask me. But this one has a very milky off-white base. I have applied this on top of a black, and the flakies look just beautiful, like very blue, very green. Just very pretty. Of course, the flakies might look different depending on what kind of base color you're applying them, but that is something that most of you already know. If you apply it on a black, it would look different if you would apply it on a white, and so on. So yeah, here I was actually pretty much struggling with the packaging as well, and I didn't really want to rip the packaging like totally. I just used one of my smaller scissors that I have always on my work desk, because you know, you need scissors a lot in life when you do nail videos. But yeah, I actually just swooped it in between the little like box and I was able to open it without totally ripping it apart. So yeah, let's continue with the last 4 colors already. These once again are very sheer but quite buildable. Personally, I don't think I can get them like fully opaque, especially because I don't want to add more than 3 coats at a time, because it just takes too much time to dry and to harden out fully, but they are really pretty. But let's continue with the next polish, and this one is also one of those pearlescent shimmery ones. I really think this would be beautiful on top of a pink or maybe even a blue or maybe a purple or something like that. Oh, and I'm sorry guys if I sound a little different than I did like half a minute ago in this video. I just heard some really sad news of a family friend actually passing because of COVID. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to put out there. I really wanted to finish this video and just keep my mind off of things a bit, because it is sad enough that the world is pretty much going up in flames at the moment, and then losing people, and sometimes it's like I have reached my limit as well. So sorry if I sound a little off. I'm trying my best to do this voiceover as good as possible. And it also pretty much helps me to just cope with everything. So yeah, let's just continue with the final polish. I just really wanted to put out there that, yeah, I just sound a little off, you know. But yeah, this last polish was actually one that has, once again, a beautiful shimmer, is quite sheer but buildable. I would definitely recommend to apply this on top of a black, but the shimmer in this one is just so pretty. It is really, really pretty. And of course, I am going to add a second layer of all of the colors a little later in this video, just to show you what they look like with just a second layer, how much they are more opaque in color, a little bit more intense and stuff like that. But yeah, that's just what I'm going to do. I think I'm not going to talk through the entire rest of the video because, you know, my mind is just all over the place. But I will just add some music and you can definitely watch the rest of the video. It's like 3.5 minutes or something left. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you understand that I'm not going to talk through the rest of the video. If you want more information about these polishes, I will leave the link in the description box down below, and don't forget to use my discount code as well to get 20% off of your own purchase. But thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, thank you so much for understanding and all of your sweet comments all the time. I really appreciate it. And as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.